Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's see what we can find today. So here is a pretty cool Mazda Miata, Nissan Skyline RS KDR 30. There's a nice Porsche Batman. What else we have here? There's a cool Camaro. Ooh, what do we have here? There's a cool Volkswagen T2 pickup. Okay. There's another Camaro. There's a cool Corvette C6. Oops, put that back. There's a 57 Jeep FC. It's pretty cool. What is this? Max Steel. Okay. There's a Blue Hammer. So there's a cool Corvette Stingray 72 convertible. Oh, show you. There's a cool motorcycle, Honda. What else we have here? It's a Dodge Charger SRT. Camaro, which I already have, the red one. Wheelchair, sign it. It's pretty cool. Let's see, anything else? What's this? Whoa, everything's falling off. McLaren Solus GT. Let me put everything back. Okay. It came across these ones. Here's a cool 2004 Mazda RX-8 Custom. It's pretty cool. What else is there? I think this truck is nice. My DK. Okay. Let's see. Here's the 5-packs. Let's see if we can find anything cool in here. Not really. Oh, there's a cool Toyota Land Cruiser. Here's that one, and then they also have the black one. Oh, this one's the Land Rover and Toyota Land Cruiser. Okay. Here's a cool Mercedes 500S EL. So I wish they have Porsche and Acura Tegra. Those are the two I would actually buy, but they're not here. Somebody already got them. Let's actually see. Nope. Not there. What else we have? Ultra Huts. Nothing. I think this was pretty cool. It's a Dodge 33 XR X08 64. It's pretty cool. There's that one. They do have these ones. Okay. There. Okay, that's pretty cool. There we go. There's a Target semi-truck and a cart. Okay, Super Mario's. Matchboxes, anything in there? Let's see. Nope. Tesla Model S. Okay. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Here's a cool Lambo. I'll let somebody else have that. There's a pink slip Lambo Aventador SE. Cool. Here's a Fast and Furious Jada. Oh, more. Let's see. Come on. Back to the Future, which I already have 3 of these, so I'm not buying anymore. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll get this one. Everything's falling off. I think I'll get this one. Eclipse with F-150 Dodge Charger. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one because I already have the Supra one. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, I already have this one. Okay. They do have these new ones, cartooned. It's a Camaro and Chevy C10. Pretty cool. Okay. Everything's keep falling off. Okay, massive truck. So not really that, but I did came across, which I'm gonna get, Honda Civic SI. So I will be getting this one, which is kind of hard to find. And I will be getting Nissan Skyline RS. Fiat 500e. It's a new one. And for the end, Back to the Future Time Machine Hoover mode. This is pretty cool. I like this one. So I will be getting these 4, and that's it for today. So I'm happy with today's hunt, and see you guys till next time. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and let me know which of these is your favorite. Peace out till next time.